In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix weird formatting and spacing on a WordPress post or page. If your text looks cramped, headings feel too close to paragraphs, or sections blend together, we'll clean that up right in the WordPress site editor. Start by opening the site editor from your dashboard and loading the template that controls your post or page layout, often the home or single post template. Once you're in, follow the on-screen highlights to focus on the main content area where the spacing looks off. We're going to make small, precise changes so your content breathes without breaking the design. Next, use the highlighted prompts to select the part of the template that wraps your content. This ensures any spacing you add will apply consistently across that area. When you see the highlighted insertion point, add a separator block. A separator is a simple horizontal line that visually breaks up sections, which is especially useful between headings and long paragraphs. Place it exactly where the highlight indicates so it appears in the right spot within your layout. With the separator added, continue following the highlight to insert a spacer block. A spacer adds intentional blank space, which is the easiest way to fix awkward gaps or crowded sections without editing code. After inserting the spacer, use the block toolbar and settings panel shown on screen to adjust its height. A modest amount, often between 16 and 48 pixels, usually looks natural. If the interface shows options like alignment, style, or thickness on the separator, adjust those too so it matches your theme. Now that you've dialed in one clean combination of separator and spacer, duplicate the block as highlighted. Duplicating is a quick way to keep spacing consistent above and below similar sections. If you're prompted to click again or confirm, do that. Then create one more duplicate where indicated. You can drag the duplicates up or down if the highlight guides you to a different position, keeping everything evenly spaced throughout the template. When everything looks tidy, save your changes. The Save button in the editor will confirm what's being updated. Review it, then proceed. Finally, launch or apply the update so the changes go live. This ensures your improved spacing appears on the actual post or page, not just in the editor preview. That's it. By carefully adding a separator for visual structure and a spacer for controlled breathing room, then duplicating them where needed, you've fixed odd formatting and spacing without touching any code. Save, launch,